So you have the right number?
Yeah, man, I have the right number, man. Because I go through my woman's phone and I book up your number. And from where she feel like a slack, so I want to know what go on.
Oh my God!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the righteous, sir.
And you done to see the king, no?
Yes, guys. So from you see by the title, you know what this video is about. So I could just do a little info.
Epic more than pandemic.
Alright.
Subscribe now to the channel.
Hey.
Because you know that one I got epic.
Alright.
Bang, bang,
Then,
boom.
we don't want to see prank. Here goes. This
Alright.
is the beginning of prank war. So basically, we are going to call some random numbers, and if it's a male,
me I go deal with it.
and if it's a female, me I go talk, and then you know brother B, sister B, you
know
know
the
the right thing.
So if you don't know the shapes,
You know the thing go, and we have a rock, paper, scissors to see who is gonna go first. But before we do all of that, guys, I don't want to see you in the comment section at about the kerchief for my head. This is how I am comfortable, and it's not nobody may not have to do me here, so don't come with that. Anyways, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Y'all look for me and for. Come on, ready. You see how King teeth? You know, it's a little rock, paper, scissors that, guys. Ready? The first number, we are going to call and see what happens. Hopefully the people them answer.
alright, we're going to see what happens.
The number and dial again.
What is father?
Well on
But you're not connect.
Yeah.
So you can't put it on speaker and you connect. That don't make no sense. You don't know that too. You don't connect to
Alright.
Sure. People shall go on like sure.
Check the number and dial again. ID.
I don't know why they must say that, but we are go try our next number, guys. Hopefully this time we get somebody right.
Try that one. 393 13.
Where you borrow the number for? Suppose the people go call them.
Relax yourself, man. That's daily number, man. Them not call the number. Them know what time it is.
Guys, I don't love how King and Gwan right now. I don't love it.
Oh, you stay, sir.
Sorry, the number you have dialed is...
Oh,
Me not laugh. Yes,
no,
nice.
guys. Me go try again.
No. Well, and so you tell me, so no, the number them not work. Hold on. We're going to see what I go on.
One last try, guys.
We're going to see what I go on, because I want to go on for the video, the idea, yeah. Hmm?
Ring.
Somebody have to feel it today, now, guys.
Ring.
Alright.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous!
Ring.
Alright.
I'm nervous. But we know what. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Jody.
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Oh, yes. Yeah. Hello?
You hearing me?
Huh?
Are you hearing me?
Hello?
You're not hearing me?
No, yeah, break up.
You here now?
Yeah.
Alright, so the other day I saw this number in my husband's phone, and I'm wondering
In your home?
in my husband's phone. And
And who is your husband, darling?
Miss, hold on there. Yeah, so you mean to
Excuse me?
hold on a minute.
Look here, me not have time to...
Hello?
You pick up phone and call me and say you
What's
see my
your
number.
lady? Guys, she hang up. How she face this and ask me who is my husband? She don't know who she text. Not even love. No even love. I have to call her back.
You're so nice. Hold on.
Me have to call her back.
Hold on, no. Here you know, guys. Hold on.
Me go call her back because she too old to Hello?
Look here, if you're an intelligent woman, if your husband have my number in his phone, it's not business or friends, darling. If you need to grow up and be a wife if you're a wife, and stop calling people's phone and talk.
Stop it.
Darling, If you need to grow up and be a wife if you're a wife, and stop calling people's phone and talk about your number in husband's phone.
Miss,
That doesn't make sense, darling.
based on the messages,
Grow up.
based on the messages that I'm seeing,
So don't call my phone telling me about it. Listen, I'm a big woman and I have kids. I don't have time for foolishness. You understand? I'm a working class woman.
you think I'm
So
a
if you see
child?
my number in your husband's phone, what does that mean?
You think I'm a child? No,
What does that mean?
based on the messages.
Your husband can have
based on the
friends,
messages that I'm
darling.
seeing.
And I don't know who the hell is your husband.
Based on the messages that
You're
I'm
calling my
seeing,
phone telling me you see my number in your husband's phone. So what that mean?
I must ask based on the messages that I'm seeing. So don't come and get fresh with me about you have children. So persons who have children don't do what you
tell me there.
do. Persons who have children don't do what you do. Hang up. No, I didn't cuss her. I hang up and you start laugh, guys. I say,
We want to grow up.
grow up and be a woman, grow up. Well, miss, if you watch that video, yeah, it's a prank here. But I'm not call you back and tell you it's a prank.
Alright, next number.
Alright, hopefully we get a meal this time.
Next number.
But
next
she
number.
did go on, she did go on.
Next number, I'm drink some water. The
She go on, she go on.
No, yeah, so nice.
Mama see, well on the guys, mama check off which number I just call. She go on, man not lie. She go on.
She go on with herself.
She go on with herself. The woman ready for done me. Tell me about grow up. Alright, well on them, let me try that number here. Come on, get somebody when I want to get somebody when I can cuss out.
Alright guys, I hope it's a meal so I can deal the thing. EPIC. So I go on now.
Ring.
I'm sorry.
Voicemail, we'll try again. We're gonna try again, guys. Two try each person get. Guys, I'm not lie, that lady did bad. She have a buzz.
She have a vibe. Please.
We not get
Nah, I
them.
get you. We'll try our next number. Tick off that.
We'll try somebody
No.
else, yeah.
John know that.
Woman I said to me say grow up. She not easy.
Yo, me said this. I got epic.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Can I ask you a question?
Who is this?
This is the young lady that you take the girl where you take her man and that girl did this. So I would love for you to just stop texting my gentleman because him not going good and him not take care of the penny them, and it seems as if you will get all of the money, and tomorrow morning bright and early a family court me I go. So just see the man and leave the man alone, cause I don't want to find where you're there. You understand? So by the way though, how wanna get involved? Cause me not understand that I'm from last night. Oh me not understand that I'm from last night. Oh she hang up, me I go call her back. Me I go call her back. Oh my god. No.
No, me not
Them a do
laugh.
me bad, but me I do them badder.
Come like I heard it today, like I'm not really my idea. People who like the video, share out the video.
You have reached.
She block me. Me I go try again.
Yo, she get that instant block and delete. Instant
Never
block
try
and
again.
delete she get, guys. Right now the war.
You have reached.
She block me. Then she really a take my man for true.
Guys,
No, sir.
guys, You don't have to ask what I go on when she go home later.
I say when the man reach home.
You don't have to ask what I go on when she reach home. Or
when the man reach home,
when the man reach home. Because it sounds like she does somewhere silent, guys. Alright, watch your one here. Come.
What police are
We're sorry, but in
Mer.
Shame.
Mer, pick up that fast and quick.
Shame.
They look like they could glare for the light. They affect my eyes.
Make us see what I go on, guys. Because I love them call you, you know.
Yes, sir.
we're sorry. The number
No, sir.
We're sorry.
No, sir. What go on? Pick off them as we go, you know, because we don't want...
we're sorry. The number you
We're
no,
sorry.
Sir, no, yes, so nice. Nowhere else. Try that one. Try it on the next side.
Alright, guys. We have two sides, right? We have try on the next side. We get two person already, but the second lady.
I'm sorry, but the
No, this is
Unavailable.
embarrassment. It come like everybody know what I go on.
We could try something. Somebody
that one.
else. Woman block me.
Instant block and delete. No
Yes,
joke.
the number you dial
No, man. Not even funny.
Nah, laugh. I'm not laughing, Ali. I'm not laughing.
Hopefully we get somebody
the
this
people,
time.
the people, them get the news. Them get the news.
Ring.
you have reached
Let me
the
call again. The girl hang up.
you have reached
That number they are working about, it look like there's something happening. Alright.
the number you have
No, to blow. No. Hold on. Give me.
Hold on.
So, me have to try for that
Hold
number.
on.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, hello, good afternoon.
Uh-huh.
Junior here from Linstead.
Who?
Junior from Linstead.
From where?
Linstead.
So you have the right number?
Yeah, man, I have the right number, man. Because I go through my woman phone and I book up your number. And from where they she feel like a slack. So I want to know what go on.
Where is the number? Come again.
Say, at the right number I have, man. Because from where they, I have to watch my woman hard, you know, because she come in late from work. So I run through her phone and I book up your number. So I say I give her a call because she feel like a slack from where they, my boss. She feel like a...
Oh my God!
She feel like a slack from where they, my boss. She feel like a slack from where they, my boss. And big man thing. And I hear her number, me I say. Because I try every other number and I finally me get a mail. So...
What is it? Yeah, break up.
Alright, my boss. Hear me I say. This is a junior from Linstead. And I run through my cat phone the other day, my boss, and I book up your number, you see me? Because the reason why I call is still, you know, she feel a little slack. You see me? She feel a little slack, my brother. And I say, John, I have to give you a shout, brother, because I call every other number in the phone and I the only mail number I book up. And you see me? And this is a junior from Linstead. And it has stressed me out, brother. It has stressed me out. I can't manage it.
Yeah, I wrong number, so nobody can.
I know me, you know, I'm a woman because watch your number, brother. It come like something bigger than mine, I go there. Big man thing.
Okay.
Brother, it come like something bigger than mine, I go there. Big man thing because she feel a little slack.
some prank thing with that. I'm some YouTuber.
What kind of prank you talk about, my brother? What kind of prank?
You know not what you're talking about.
No, big.
Alright, so have a nice day.
Well, I know. Hello? Hello? Yes, we are YouTubers, we are King&Ally. You can subscribe and see the prank over there.
What's the YouTube name?
King&Ally.
What?
King&Ally.
King&Ally?
Yeah.
Send it in a message also.
Oh, you're not easy.
Yeah, man, we're gonna send it in a message, my boss. Let's say a word.
That must be a prank. Alright.
Alright, my boss.
Alright, later.